Hello all, welcome to Easy Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a freelancing job or a part-time job. So if you are a person who is looking for part-time earnings, then today's video is perfect for you. So this is permanently work from home and people from 12th qualification and above can do this, especially students or housewife, or if you are interested in part-time income, then this is a perfect opportunity for you. Since it is permanently work from home, you don't have to relocate or travel. So today we are going to see a job opportunity from DishTv. It is freelancer job. It is freelancer on-bound calls. Okay. So let's see the details about this job opportunity. So today we are going to see about a job opportunity from DishTv. It is freelancer inbound call. So this is a voice process job, and the skills that are required is especially communication skill, good communication skill in English and Hindi, also Microsoft Excel basic knowledge and computer knowledge. This is the only skill requirement. Other than that, there is no programming language knowledge or certification. Also, there is no requirement that you should be from a technical background. Okay, so this is perfect for people who are looking for non-coding job and permanent work from home job. Okay, so let's see the other details. So this is work from home opportunity at reputed DTH brand of India, which is DishTv. Freelancer job. They have given that this is a freelancer job itself. Directly, I am going to share with you the application form in the description. So just click on the link and you will be getting an application form. You have to fill it. Okay. Now let's see what all details are there in the application form. First, you have to fill name, then contact number. Also, they have asked for having on laptop or desktop. Okay, so this is permanently work from home. You need to have a laptop. Okay, so you have to put the answer as yes. Then having broadband connection or modem or dongle. So are you having a good internet connectivity at your home? They are asking. Again, the answer has to be yes, or you have to take if you are getting shortlisted. Okay, so we'll take one if getting shortlisted. So this job, since it is permanently work from home, you should be having a laptop and good internet connectivity at your home. Okay. Now, highest educational qualification. In the option you can see 12th qualification is there, graduation, post-graduation, diploma. So all these qualifications is there. So if you are a housewife or if you are looking for part-time earnings, you can definitely apply here. So people from 12th qualification and above can do this job. Okay. Next, they are asking for present city. You can give present state. Doesn't matter because it is work from home. So whichever city you are belonging to, whichever state you are belonging to, that is not a problem. Then gender details, current employment status, email ID, alternate number, languages that you can speak. Okay. Mention all the other regional languages by putting in comma. So whichever languages you are knowing, you can just put comma and you can add all those languages. Okay. Then date of birth, WhatsApp number, having smartphone. Then source of getting this opportunity. Do you have experience in voice process? So this is a voice process job. So you have to answer to customer calls and answer to their queries and all. So they are asking whether you are having previous experience in voice process. If yes, you have to put it as yes. Otherwise it is no. Then your English communication skill, you have to scale from 1 to 10. Okay. So if you speak very good, you can put it as 10. Okay. So that is how you have to rank your English communication skill. Also Hindi communication skill. Total number of experience means total years of experience. If it is 0, if you are a fresher, just put it as no. Don't worry, it is a fresher recruitment only. Okay. Anyway, if you are having previous call center or voice process experience, you can put the years accordingly. Okay. So this is a very simple application form that you have to fill up. And we have seen all the other details about this opportunity. So here the most important thing is your communication skill. It is a voice process job, so your communication skill really matters. During the selection process also, there will be communication test will be there. So be prepared to face the communication test. Also there will be aptitude test and questions will be there from your resume for your interview. Okay. So that is going to be the selection process. Talking about the salary, you can expect about 20,000 in this job role. Okay. So if you are looking for a part-time job, this type of jobs is the perfect job or opportunity for you. So please go to the link in description and apply there. Please don't miss out. So after applying within maximum 2 weeks, you can expect a reply mail or call from their side. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, please like the video and share the video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.